everybody, I'm Amita Garg. I'm the campus director with Healthcare Career College, and I wanted to reassure you that we are doing everything possible to keep our students safe. It is very important that we train our students to be competent, caring, and professional healthcare providers who are much needed during this pandemic. And I want to encourage everybody watching this video to continue on with your lives in a safe and compliant manner, and continue going to school and working and training for your future goals. So first of all, I want to reassure you that here at Healthcare Career College, we are COVID-19 safety compliance certified, which means that we are following all of the protocols recommended by the CDC to go about our operations and train in a safe manner. So let's go ahead and see what's going on. So when students come in for labs, we allow only a limited number of students at a time so that social distancing can be maintained. And when students come in, they all must fill out the COVID-19 clearance questionnaire that certifies that they have not experienced a fever, that they don't have any symptoms, have not had close contact with anybody with COVID. So that's the first thing that students are required to do. And also when they come in, they must either have hand sanitizer or wash their hands upon entry. And we also screen them for their temperature. After checking in, our students perform labs in small groups so that we can maintain more than 6 feet of social distance. All the surfaces are sanitized between each group, and where possible, we teach skills on trainers to minimize contact. Here in our ultrasound lab, students have the choice to either train on our scan trainers. We have advanced equipment here where students can learn scanning in a lifelike situation. We've implemented these COVID-19 safety protocols for all of the programs taught here at Healthcare Career College. In this way, students can train safely for their future careers. Our high technology mannequins simulate lifelike situations so that our students can experience what it's like to be on the field interacting with real patients. Where possible, we let our students borrow supplies and equipment so that they can take it home and practice it with their family members along with the rest of the class so that they can learn the skill from their instructor on a video call. This pandemic has brought a stop to so many areas of our lives. However, you do not have to stop with your education and your career goals. There are so many challenges right now, but there are also so many opportunities. Here at the college, we have made learning flexible so that we can help our students no matter what challenges this pandemic has brought them. You deserve to grow and pursue your career goals. Healthcare is an exciting, growing career field. Let us help and inspire you on your journey towards your career and a better future.